Are your fleet trucking insurance costs increasing every year? Many fleet owners assume higher premiums are unavoidable. However, insurance companies look closely at one thing when pricing coverage: risk. The safer your operation is, the more attractive your company becomes to insurance underwriters. In many cases, strong safety practices can help reduce accidents, lower claims frequency, improve CSA scores, and create opportunities for more competitive insurance rates. Today, we're covering 5 practical safety tips that can help protect your drivers, your equipment, and potentially lower your fleet trucking insurance costs. Before we discuss the 5 tips, it's important to understand how insurance companies evaluate trucking operations. When an underwriter reviews a fleet, they're looking at your loss history, driver qualifications, CSA scores, vehicle maintenance records, safety programs, and overall risk management practices. Companies that demonstrate a strong commitment to safety often experience fewer accidents and claims. That makes them more attractive to insurance carriers and can lead to better coverage options over time. The first step to reducing risk is keeping your fleet properly maintained. Brake failures, tire blowouts, lighting violations, and mechanical breakdowns can lead to accidents, roadside inspections, and costly out-of-service violations. Develop a preventative maintenance schedule for every truck and trailer in your fleet. Regular inspections should include brakes, tires, suspension systems, lights, fluids, steering components, and safety equipment. A well-maintained fleet not only improves safety, but also demonstrates professionalism when insurance companies review your operation. Technology has become one of the most effective tools for improving fleet safety. Telematics systems can track speeding, harsh braking, rapid acceleration, excessive idling, following distance, and other risky driving behaviors. This data allows fleet managers to identify trends before they become accidents. Many fleets use telematics reports to coach drivers, improve fuel efficiency, and create accountability throughout their organization. Some insurance companies may even view telematics programs favorably because they demonstrate proactive risk management. Even experienced drivers benefit from continuous safety training. Defensive driving techniques, backing procedures, accident avoidance strategies, cargo securement practices, and hours of service compliance should be reviewed regularly. Refresher training helps drivers stay focused on safety while reinforcing company expectations. Many preventable accidents occur because of complacency, distractions, or poor decision-making. Ongoing training helps reduce these risks and builds a stronger safety culture throughout the organization. Dash cameras have become one of the most valuable investments a fleet can make. Video footage can provide critical evidence following an accident, helping protect drivers from false accusations and disputed claims. Dash cameras also create coaching opportunities by identifying risky behaviors before they result in collisions. Both forward-facing and inward-facing camera systems can improve accountability while providing valuable documentation when incidents occur. One of the biggest factors affecting fleet insurance costs is driver quality. Before hiring, review motor vehicle records, employment history, CDL qualifications, and safety performance. Establish clear hiring standards and maintain strong driver retention programs. High turnover often creates additional risk because new drivers require onboarding and adaptation to company procedures. Building a team of experienced, safety-focused drivers can significantly improve overall fleet performance. Beyond these 5 tips, successful fleets also focus on route planning, weather monitoring, fatigue management, cargo securement, and communication between drivers and dispatchers. Every safety improvement you make helps reduce risk and strengthens your operation. The goal isn't just lowering insurance costs, it's protecting lives, equipment, freight, and your company's reputation. At J.E.B.Insurance Services, LLC, we specialize in helping trucking companies, owner-operators, and fleets find the right coverage for their operation. Whether you need commercial truck liability insurance, cargo insurance, physical damage coverage, or fleet insurance solutions, our team is here to help. We proudly serve trucking companies in Florida, Georgia, Texas, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Illinois, Iowa, and Nebraska. Want to review your current fleet trucking insurance costs? Call or text J.E.B. Insurance Services today and let our experienced team help you explore your coverage options. Protect your drivers, protect your business, protect your future.